I want to place my multilines on the roads layer, so I use the layer drop-down list to switch to the roads layer. To start the multiline command, I type ML for multiline. I right-click and select Justification. I select the top justification. I start the multiline at the intersection of Myrtle Street and West Taylor Street. There's a slight jog at Laurel Street, so I select the point there and angle the multiline slightly to the intersection with Stockton Avenue. I press Enter to exit the command. I repeat the multiline command by right-clicking and selecting Repeat MLine. I pick on the Style option on the command prompt to change the style. I've already forgotten the style name I used, so I can press the question mark to list all the multiline styles available in the drawing. AutoCAD lists the MLine styles available. I type single lane to make single lane the current multiline style. I draw a multiline up Myrtle Street, one block past Emery Street. I repeat to place a multiline on Elm Street. I place a multiline on Laurel Street. I place a multiline on Emery Street and Stockton Avenue. My last MLine is on Asbury. Now I need to clean up some of the intersections. I select the Extend tool. I press Enter to select everything in the drawing as a boundary. I select the Laurel Street MLine. AutoCAD prompts me if I want a closed, open, or merged intersection. I select O for open. The intersection cleans up. I right-click and select Repeat Extend. I continue using the Extend tool to clean up the necessary intersections. When I'm prompted, I can select the closed, open, or merged intersection. To edit my crossed intersections, I use the ML Edit tool. I type ML Edit. A dialog box appears with the different ways multilines can be merged. I select the Open Cross. I then select the intersections where I want the Open Cross intersection applied. I remain in the ML Edit command and can continue selecting intersections until all the desired intersections have been cleaned up. Once I am done, I press Enter to exit the command. I am not seeing the dashed or center lines that were applied in my multiline styles. To see them, I need to adjust the line type scale on my multilines. I select one multiline. I right-click and choose Select Similar. All the multilines are selected. I right-click and select Properties. I change my line type scale to 100. I press Escape to release my selection. Now I can see the center and dashed line types. In this video, we reviewed some techniques to use when creating and modifying multilines. I used an attached image as an underlay to help me place my MLines. I adjusted the image's appearance using the fade control on the ribbon. I created a couple of multiline styles using different colors and line types. I used the Extend tool and the ML Edit command to modify my multilines. I also used Properties to modify the line type scale used by the multilines.